Prachi, your topic self-help group. Tell me about the self-help group. Define.
So self-help group is basically a group of people and they have a common issue in common and they meet regularly, discuss about these issues.
Okay. Why did you choose this topic as your project topic?
Sir, as we know that after independence, there has been growth in the country, but there is a constant rise in poverty and unemployment. So self-help groups basically help in elevating poverty and they provide opportunities for employment. So that is why I wanted to study about the development, how it has helped, the self-help groups have helped in the development.
Tell me the major functions of self-help group.
So the major function of the self-help group are it helps in promoting savings in the group. It helps in providing loans to the members of the group, and it also helps in like when the group members meet, they discuss the problems they have in common. So it helps in finding the solutions to the problem.
Main objective of self-help group.
So main objectives are that as we know that in rural India, the women are not provided opportunities to work and they are just asked to stay at home and work. So self-help group help these women to work, they provide them with loan, and so that is the main objective of self-help.
Okay. Is there any issues faced by the self-help group?
Yes, so there are many issues faced by the self-help group that are, they have lack of trainings for their members, so they are not trained properly. They have a lack of upgradation skills, so the proper machines, and they are not trained about all the machines, and there is weak financial management. Proper investments are not made in the group by the group members.
So, is there any measures taken by the government for the improvement?
So there are various measures taken by the government. Various schemes like National Rural Livelihood Missions have been launched by the government in the year 2011, and it helps in generating various employment opportunities for the members of the self-help group.
Okay, so most important part of your project, research methodology. What you did in research methodology?
So it is a case study of a village from Rajasthan, and it has shown how the women were benefited from the establishment of a self-help group in the village.
Very good. So tell me in brief about case study, little bit about
so it is basically showing that in the village women were not allowed to work and they were just constrained to the four walls of the house, and then after there was a self-help group which was established and the women were given training to make lakh bangles, and after the training they received, they started their own business and they were able to earn a monthly income which was helpful in
so now,
to their families.
Come on economic analysis and interpretation. So tell me about the economic interpretation.
5 topics have been discussed in the analysis, which are employment, female empowerment, human capital formation, and education, and women empowerment, and occupational structure. So from the case study, it has been seen that there has been a constant growth in female empowerment after the self-help group formation. Education levels have been increased. There are various employment opportunities for the people of the village, and the occupational structure has shifted from agriculture to
Okay, how can you conclude your project?
So after the establishment of a self-help group has been beneficial for India, but there are various problems that have to be still have to be tackled, and the government still has to put efforts so that the self-help group can still benefit, but already the establishments have.
Okay, so is there any recommendations from your side for the improvement of self-help groups?
So as it has been seen that there are still problems the SHG still faced, so the government should establish direct setup links which have direct control to the SHGs, and they can control their activities. They should promote more NGOs to support the self-help groups so that.
Okay, Prachi, thank you so much.